Okay, so what's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to be able to create a Binance account. And guys, I know all of you there out there know how to create a Binance account, but you get problem when you are verifying it. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you everything to detail how you'll be able to verify your Binance account. And guys, before we forget, I'm on a journey of making out $10 a day. Yes, $10 a day. So guys, what I will be doing is that I will be posting videos about Binance from today going. So watch out for all my videos. So without wasting much time, without making anything complicated, let's go deep into the videos. So this is I'm using my phone. So this is my phone screen. So I'm going to Play Store. Those of who are using the iPhone can also go to Apple Store and download what we call Binance app. So this is how the app look like. So all that you need to do is install the app on your phone and click on open for the app to open. And guys, those who are also using the laptop the same way, you can go to your Google Chrome browser, type in Binance, and it will come and you open the app. But I encourage all of you to use your phone. So when you open it first, this is how the front page look like. As you can see on the screen, they say welcome to Binance. And guys, you can see we have our country there. It will automatically generate your country for you. But in case that the country you have generated, you are not in that country, they have the right to change it. So as you can see, I'm in Ghana, so it automatically generates my country for me. So all that I need to do is to click on continue. So after you click on continue, wait for some time. It will come like this, as you can see on the screen. Now they are demanding us to use our email or phone number in creating the account, as you can see. And guys, I will encourage or I recommend email to you or watching this video today. Let's use our email to verify the account. You can also use your phone number, but I think the email will be the best and the safer way for you to do it. So go ahead and give them your email, give them your password. So guys, the referral ID is optional, so I'm not going to give you my referral ID to use, so it's optional. And guys, after that, make sure that you agree to to receive message or any updates from the Binance accounts. After doing all those things, all that you need to do is click on create account. After you have created click on create account, they try to verify that you're a human being or maybe you're a robot. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me just fix this thing real quick and let's continue the video. So they said I was select in order. Okay, so let me just select in order. One, this two. Okay, real quick. Okay, so after that, after doing all those things, you have to click on create account. Okay, so guys, when you click on create account, they will send you a verification email to the email that you have used. So as you can all see, I started with an email. I have given them an email, so they will send me a message through that email for me to verify my account. So I don't know, I've not received it yet, so let me just wait for it. Okay guys, so as you can see at the top, I have received my message successfully. So all that I need to do is to type in the account activation code, as you can see there, which is 06. Let me just type it real quick. Okay, let me just go again. 069 real quick 69. Okay, 94. Let me just bring it for the last. Okay, let me just bring this real quick. Okay, 434. Okay, so guys, that's my verification code up there, as you can see on the screen. So after that, you click on submit. After you're clicking on the submit, it will take a time to load. They say to verify, so it will take a time to load. So let me just wait for it. Guys, whilst loading, make sure that you show your boys and love by subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing this video to all your friends who are up there looking for a way to make money online. Guys, as you can see, they're asking us a bunch of questions whether you have buy cryptocurrency before or not, but I'm not going to answer that question. I'm going to skip it at the top. So when you skip it, this is how your account inside look like, and that's the basic creation of the account that I know all of you up there know how to do this. Now the next process is verify account. Guys, that's what we are going to do there. Let me just bring it down again. Verify account. Click on the verify account. Okay, it's now loading. Let me wait for it to load. So guys, while it's loading, make sure that you give a thumbs up on this video, share this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online, and guys, don't forget subscribe and click on the bell icon below to notice when I drop more videos, because I'll drop a video from scratch creating the Binance account, how you can make money in Binance and all those things. I'm going to do all those things into that video. So guys, so where we have reached so far, I'm going to introduce you to a video that will explain it to you vividly, how you'll be able to feel or continue with where we are. So without much ado, I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. The person will come and explain everything to you vividly about how you'll be able to create or to verify your account. So see you. I'm waiting for you.
How to complete identity verification. What is identity verification? Identity verification, or Know Your Customer (KYC), is designed to protect users' accounts against the misuse of financial accounts, such as fraud, corruption, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Why do I need to complete identity verification? Binance requires users to complete identity verification to increase their account security. You can enjoy a higher limit of your Binance account after verifying. There are 3 levels of verification on Binance: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Basic is the minimum requirement for using Binance services, while intermediate and advanced require more information to verify your identity. How to complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center Identification. You can change your country by clicking the button. Click Verify Now to start. Enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Your account is now verified for basic. To further increase your limits, click Upgrade to higher limits. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your document. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you are using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to Can't Use PC to complete the verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish the face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. If you want to further increase your limits, click Verify Now to complete the advanced verification. Enter your address and click Continue. Upload your proof of address documents. Click Confirm to submit. The verification status will show as Under Review. Please wait patiently for it to get approved. Secure your Binance account today to enjoy higher limits.
Okay, guys, so welcome back. And guys, I'm sure all of you have a clear definition or a clear understanding of the video so far. I don't have to explain anything to further, but just comment below if you have any problem and let me know your biggest problem. I will be available all the time to be replying to all your messages. And don't forget to share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. Guys, please give me a thumbs up when you think that you like this video. See you on my next video. Remember, we are on a challenge. I'm out. Peace out.